Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm on the streets of Mongkok here at the forest to bring you an exclusive first look. This is a first retail version here of this phone I've been dying to get my hands on. That's right guys, this is your Frankie Tech first look and unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 9. OMG. Now, I literally just got this phone I'd say about 15 minutes ago. And this will be, whoa, and that's a horn in the background there, sorry for that. And so apologies for the little setup here. I do have my Joby set up here, and we're gonna do this unboxing live here on Frankie Tech, well, as live as can be. And look at this box, guys. There is the Mi 9. I did not expect this box. Look at the translucent nature of this box. It is absolutely beautiful. And just to show you which version was the one I got, it is the 8GB 128 gigs version. Quick overview of the specs. This is my first Snapdragon 855 phone that I have purchased, and I just spent a little over 4,000 Hong Kong dollars on this phone, so a little bit above the 3,800 price for this phone. But you know what? It's kind of early access, so I got to do it. There's the triple camera setup, 6.39 AMOLED display, and that 20-watt wireless charging, which is really incredible. And let's go ahead and unbox this right here, right now on Frankie Tech. So I'm just as excited as you are here. Let's open this up. Designed by Xiaomi. And here you go. You have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to USB-C, your SIM tray. There's the TPU case that we'll be looking at in a second. But there it is. And I turned it on just to make sure that it was working, because that would have been embarrassing. And here it is, your first look on Frankie Tech of the Xiaomi Mi 9. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off so we can enjoy this together in 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it's getting caught there. Let's try it again in 3, 2, 1. And this is not wanting to come off. There it goes. OMG. Oh yeah. There it is. I'm gonna put this aside here. And there is the Xiaomi Mi 9. Let's remove this sticker on the back there. Put that aside as well. Let's take all the stickers off right here. And there is your look of the ocean blue 8GB 128 gig version of the Xiaomi Mi 9. Incredible. I thought this phone would be very nice in the hand and it would look beautiful, but I did not expect this level of quality. This is a stunning phone right here. And so while we go ahead and set this up, and we can do that in a second, but let me go ahead and tell you guys how I got this phone. So my guy was basically, I guess he had someone who went to China. This phone was released in China today. And let's face it here, that is incredible that I was able to get this phone today. I didn't think I would. And so just kind of going through these quick setups here. Let's go full screen gestures. That's right. And go back. Okay, well, I'll set that up later. And there it is, guys. Your first look on Frankie Tech of the Xiaomi Mi 9, all set up. And obviously, this does not have the Play Store, but I will be setting that up very soon. If anyone's going to be able to do that easily, it's me. I have reviewed so many Xiaomi phones, so I will be able to do that. My first impressions just off of having the screen on here, gosh, this is a beautiful phone. This is really, really nice, and I can already tell that this screen is something to die for. Talking about that design though, man, they weren't joking when they said that this had this pebbled, curved feel to it. It just feels so nice in the hand. And I gotta say, it might be the nicest feeling phone in the hand that I've ever felt. I am just loving this. I love the fact that the edges are this kind of glossy, matching metal here. and I just love the way the glass reflects off of it. It's really beautiful. And then talking about that display, that is a 6.39 display, if I'm not mistaken. Talking quickly about the specs of the display, this is a Super AMOLED, 16 million colors, and this is a 403 ppi pixel density here. Gorilla Glass 6. You heard me. Gorilla Glass 6. That is right there. 85.2% screen to body ratio as per GSM Arena. And what can I say about this display right off the bat? It looks incredible. It looks kind of similar to the one on the Mi Mix 3, and that was a beautiful display. That was a really beautiful display, but something about it in this phone feels even better already. And so gonna have to test, and it is DCI P3 and HDR10, and there you go. Looking at that, look at that close up there. I love the wallpaper, by the way, they've chosen for this. It is looking great. I'll obviously have to set this up with all the stuff very soon, but oh my there you go. Okay. And so now talking about performance, Snapdragon 855 right here, guys. 8 GB of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. This is the first for me. I'm so excited to put this processor through its paces. I've been dying to get a Snapdragon 845 for months. It's finally here, and I'm so excited to see what that's like. It seems very zippy to me. Apps seem to open very quickly. You see it there. Everything just opens instantaneously. So we'll have to review that in a while there. Now talking about the audio. So there is no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but you know, that's par for the course on the Mi 9 here. And the Mi 8, which by the way, guys, was the first phone I reviewed on Frankie Tech after I revived my channel. That also did not have a headphone jack. And you see there's none to speak of on any side here. But the phone feels sleek. It really feels nice. 173 grams, so it is a little hefty, but not bad at all. Right in that middle range, and 7.6 millimeters right there. So looking really good. And as you can see there, I did get the basic kind of Xiaomi. In fact, actually, hold on a second. Let me check this charger, because this should be an important one right here. Let's have a look here. And that's right, this should be the 27 volt supercharger right there. Now there is no wireless charger in the box right here, so I won't be able to test that just yet, but I will be trying to pick up that 20 watt fast wireless charger very soon. Now talking about the camera, let's do it, guys. Let's take that classic Frankie Tech camera shot, but before we do, let's talk about this camera. It's that Sony IMX586, 48 megapixels. I do like this kind of interesting glow, this kind of circle around the main sensor. I think the main sensor is in the middle though, and then you have a 16 megapixel f2.2, and you have a 12 megapixel telephoto. So you have the ultra wide, the telephoto, and the main sensor. And then on the front you have this, if I'm not mistaken, 20 megapixel selfie camera. So I'll have to be putting that through its paces right here. But let's go ahead and take a photo. I'm gonna lift this whole setup here, take a photo of the classic Frankie Tech camera shot. Let's do it. Okay. There we go. Let's take a shot here of the forest. Boom. And let's have a look at that. That looks pretty damn good, I would say, in my opinion. I'm loving that. Look at the detail on this shot. It looks really nice. And look at that bottom bezel. This is where you really see how much they've improved the bottom bezel here on this phone. It is looking really great. The notch is actually looking a lot better than I expected. It's more like the teardrop ones that I like. And so that shot looks really good. But stay tuned, I will be doing full comparisons and impressions. And let me know what comparisons you'd like to see with this awesome phone I got right here. But that's it for this quick first look of the Xiaomi Mi 9 right here on Frankie Tech. Hit me up in the comments what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.